divide 798 by 7 in long division method. 7 times 1 is 7. On subtracting, we get 0. So now we put down this 9 and 7 times 1 is 7. On subtracting, we get 2. So now this 2 is less than 7. So we put down this 8 and it is 28. 7 times 4 is 28. On subtracting, we get 0. So 798 divided by 7 is 114. So this much for today and thanks for watching.